So in this tutorial, I will teach you how to extract WhatsApp group with phone or laptop all for free. Totally free. You're not paying a dime. It's totally free. And not just that, at long run, I'm going to teach you how to save their contact on your phone and how to send bulk messages and how to do other stuff. But the reason I wrote this one is not just that. I said, what are the reasons why we extract WhatsApp group? First of all, is to either save their contact to your phone, like your family, friend, or any stuff. Number two is to send bulk messages to them, trying to advertise your business, WhatsApp marketing, or stuff like that, because you don't have money for paid traffic. But if you have money for paid traffic, you can try that on Facebook and Instagram advert or Twitter, depending on your budget. But this is totally free, and I advise you watch to the end because I'll be showing you a lot of things, most importantly at the end of this video. Then I'm going another one is your spam. Yes, because some people use it for spamming and stuff like that, which is not advisable though. But I'll teach you how to spam the right way at the end so that you don't get banned when spamming. Then number four, which is I don't know why you really want to extract WhatsApp group. So it's your own business and your own detriment. So over this place, I have a lot of slide I'll be explaining from here. I said I'm going to explain how to save their contact to your phone using a particular app, then how to send bulk messages using a particular app. The bulk messaging is called how to send messages on WhatsApp without getting banned. Yes. So now let's begin with the first step. So for to extract WhatsApp group, first of all, you should have WhatsApp installed on your phone or on your business WhatsApp or any of these. This is GB WhatsApp or FM WhatsApp. I advise you use the official WhatsApp you get. So now we need this app called the Kiwi browser for smartphone, which you can get from Play Store. So to get that from Play Store, just type in Play Store. Sorry. So now we're going to type in Play Store from here. Then it's going to take me direct to Play Store. Now use the search bar and search for Kiwi KIW. Now I've installed that already on my phone. That is why all I have to do is to open it. If you have this on your phone, just update it. If it's updated, just open it. So if you open it like this, it's going to take you directly to the interface of Kiwi browser where you can do lots and lots of sophisticated things. One beautiful thing about the Kiwi browser that I love so much is the ability to do crazy stuff. Now, someone will ask me, sir, I have Chrome browser on my phone. Why is it that I can't use Chrome browser? It's your choice. I know both of them as desktop site, which we'll be talking about very soon. So now from here, if I go to Chrome Web Store, let me take you directly to Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to search for Chrome Web Store here. Then the only thing we can do here at the Chrome Web level is to look at what he said. He said Chrome Web Store is personalized on desktop site with extension. So now someone will say, sir, why is that you why not change it to desktop site? Now I'm going to change it to desktop site and see the change. I'm going to reload this and see if there's any change. Now you see we still have it at the same level. Customize and personalize Chrome on your stuff. So we cannot add any extension because over here there is no extension tab that we can customize or add extension because for we to extract the WhatsApp group, there is need for extension to be installed on our phone or on our laptop. But if you are doing some laptop, I will show you soon the best way to go about it. So now, what we'll do now is to go straight to the Kiwi browser. With the Kiwi browser, there's a lot of feature in this place. If you follow the side, if you follow here like this, tap on that three menu there. Then when it opens, you see this place called extensions. It means we can add extension to Kiwi browser. It has made it very, very easy for us. So what we'll do now is to install one extension called Contact Saver. So I'm going to tap on the extension tab. I'm going to click on From Store like this. Then I'm going to click on From Store. Then it's going to take me directly to Chrome Web Store. I advise you put your phone on desktop site. So I'm going to click on this and I'll click on desktop site. Ensure this is on desktop site like this, that place. So I'm going to click on desktop site so that I have it. Q browser will remember your choice. Okay, got it. Now I'm going to search in here and type in contact saver. So ensure you type it this way. Type it inside contact saver like this. Then when you go, don't tap on anything. Just hit on the arrow on your or search on your stuff. Then tap on extension so that you can search for extension. Then is going to lead you to this. So I have this contact saver for WA. WA there means WhatsApp. So you're going to tap on it. Then, when you tap on it, it's going to ask you to remove or add. So over here, I've already added it to my Kiwi browser. That is why it's not asking me that. You get. So now the next question now is this. So look at it. It's asking me to remove from Chrome. So if that's not your own, definitely the sign there will be add to Chrome. In case you're getting confused over here, let me tap on any extension and just assume I want to install WA contact extractor. Okay, let me come in here again and search. Okay, let me just put any random one. Let's say I come in here, I search for that same contact extractor, contact saver like this. Then I search for that. I tap on the extension circle there. Then I decide to add a different one called like a WA contact extractor. I've not used this before because I don't know if it is paid or is free. Then when you tap on it like this, it's going to open like over here now it's loading. If you see up there, it's loading. So it's going to load soon and take you to out to the interface where you can install it. Okay, it's fully loaded now. I'm going to tap on it. I'm just trying to tell you in case your own is not added. Now you can see over here, you can add this to Chrome. You can add that to Chrome. So I'm going to add it to Chrome browser just for the essence I'm doing the reason I'm doing this is so that you get familiar with adding to Chrome. So let's just tap on add, ensure it's fully loaded. Now it's checking. In no time, it's going to tell you add. Just tap on OK. Then it should be added very, very soon. So now it has been added. It's going to reload and take you straight to the website and stuff like that. Add to Edge, add to Chrome, all this blah blah blah. So you decide to add to Chrome. If you think it's possible to add to Chrome, you can just add to Chrome and see. But over this, I don't think this is free, but I'll not be using this. So I just showed you how to do that. How do you know the extension have been installed? All you have to do is tap on these three symbol there, then scroll down like this till you see it. So over here now you see I have contact saver for WA. I still have this other one I've installed just now. Both of them are there. So now what we want to do now is to connect our phone together, the two phone. So first of all, you need your phone where the WhatsApp is, and you need another phone where the Kiwi browser is. So what you do is the phone you'll be using for extraction should be a different phone. The phone on WhatsApp, get this very well. Get this very, very well. The phone with the WhatsApp group, don't install the Kiwi browser on it. Don't install it. Yes, don't install it. So use another separate phone. If you're using another phone, use it to install this Kiwi browser and add this extension to it. So now what I'll do is what I want to do now is to connect both phone together. But since I'll be doing my own PC, I'm going to just show you my PC as assuming is the second phone. So then I will show you how to do that. So now we're taking you directly to my PC in no time. So before I take you direct down to my laptop, let me just show you how the contact saver work. First of all, you should put it on desktop side. So I'm going to click on desktop side. Then it's going to take you straight to desktop side. And so ensure your Kiwi browser is on desktop side. Then move on to the contact saver. Now it's going to open the contact saver. Now when the contact saver opens, it's going to open like this. But for you to do that, ensure you've connected because you can't have it this way. So let me just get out from this and behave as if it's not on desktop side because it shouldn't look like this because I've already connected. But let me just log out for now. Let me just log out for now and log in from fresh. So now I've just uninstalled the contact saver extension and reinstall it again. So just tap on it and the contact saver, as I've said, then when you tap on the contact saver, it's going to take you directly. Okay. So at the first click of it on the contact saver tab, it's going to take you directly to your screen and telling you, hey, connect your WhatsApp to this. And I told you, I said, this phone showing this one is the separate phone that don't have the WhatsApp group. So this one is the one you'd install the Kiwi browser with the contact saver on. So it's asking you to connect the WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to scan the WhatsApp. To scan the WhatsApp. And for you to scan the WhatsApp is very simple to do. Very, very simple to do. It's not difficult. All you have to do is go straight to your WhatsApp that has the group like this. Then when you go straight to your WhatsApp, it's going to tell you to link a device. For you to link a device, let's say you are having a chat. So just come to straight to the settings like this, and not the settings. Instead, come here like this. Sorry, not search. At the three hamburger menu, go to link device, and when you that, you can now link a device. And when you tap on it, it's going to tell you yes. So you're going to use mobile phone. Then it's going to ask you to scan like this. So now I'm scanning with it, and it's logging in very, very fast. And when it log in, it's going to take me directly to the phone I'll be using. Yes, the phone. So now it's going to log in, and Contact Saver will start doing all the works you want. Let's assume you've done that. Anyway, so I promise to show those how you can do it on laptop as well. So since we've installed that of Kiwi, you can still use it. If you can still use for Chrome Web Store. All you have to do is just search in for go straight to the Chrome Web Store as fast as you can on your PC. I'm sorry for the small screen, but just try to follow. So it's going to take you directly to this place, and when it opens, then at the search bar here, you can search for that same extension called Contact Saver. So when I tap on Contact Saver, you're going to see it. But I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm going to go straight to my PC over here from the settings here. So I'm going to come straight to this place. Then I'll click on Contact Saver. Since I've already connected my WhatsApp, because when you connect your WhatsApp, you should have something like this on your screen. So you have your full screen you can work with like this. So you can move on. Like here now, I have my groups, so I can extract this group and um uh, I can extract all the contact from there. Very in case you're lost, just follow the step. It's very simple. I said number one, ensure you've installed this on your two phones. The phone with the group, don't add the Kiwi browser, don't add the extension, and the other phone that is doing the extraction, just do it. But if you're using that of a laptop to do that, it's simple. Just go to your Chrome Web Store. No need for Kiwi browser. Yes, go to your open any of your browser, but Chrome especially. Then come here, install the extension as well from the Chrome Web Store. When you do it, just add it. Then come straight to your settings like this from here, and you can see this stuff like this. So ensure you're using the updated Chrome. Then tap on Contact Saver. It's going to load immediately. So when Contact Saver load, now at any group, now let me assume when you tap on Contact Saver, it's going to load. So when I click on this from this, so let me right click on it and see if I can extract. Over here now, I can't extract it. So I'm going to still follow the same process at the Contact Saver settings. So let me do the same thing there. I'm going to tap on this settings now. I'm going to tap on Contact Saver. I said to give an extension this, click on it. So we're going to click on it and see if it takes us there. If it doesn't take us there, I'm going to X out from here very fast. So I'm going to just close it like this. I'll tap on that again and see if Contact Saver takes me directly to where I can. So Contact Saver is going to create a fresh page for me where I can download. It's going to tell me login. So that's why I advise you click on Contact Saver. Then you connect your two phones together. Then ensure your phone is on desktop side, because if it's not on desktop side, it's going to be a big challenge for you. So let's just wait for this to load, and now we can extract. So when I tap on any group, so let me click on this group, or let me click on down arrow here like this and see what is there. So we have archive, we have mute notification, we have exit. So I'll tap on that. Let me just say these are the users I want to do. Then I'll click on these three arrows here and see if I can do that. So if it's not there, I'll find the best way to go out, get this done, and I'll get back to it immediately. So now I've finally figured it out because they've updated some things there. Sorry in case the screen is blur, just try to follow up. So I'm going to see click on that. Then at this extension, ensure you click on these three angles here. For those on PC, if you're not on PC, you're using another phone, ensure you're in desktop side, then click on it, it's going to load. So when it loads, you ensure this stuff is on WhatsApp. Don't say click on extension, ensure you've clicked on WhatsApp. So this can read. So I'm going to click on WhatsApp like this. Now, when I click on the extension, it's going to load all the groups for me very fast. So now you see it has loaded all the groups so far. So now we have this screen like this. It's going to tell me how do you want to export all groups. So the first one, when you open, we have the first one, which is called export info from groups. So you can say export now. It's asking you questions. So the first one is, do you want to export in CSV or in Excel or in VCard. Yes, what is VCard? VCard is not available now. I will not advise you click on that because it's not going to work. VCard, you don't need to use Saver to save eye contact to save them, but I advise you use Excel immediately. So I'm going to click on Excel, or you can import as CSV. Both of them can work for you. But let me just use Excel for the sake of this tutorial. Now the next thing is going to export info from groups, but it's going to ask you exclude admin, which is advisable. But if you don't, you can don't just turn this off. And that is the same way for the smartphone. It works the same way. This, you should have this as well on your screen. So when you're good, you can decide to pick in from all these groups, all the groups. So you can pick the first one here that says all groups, or better still, you can keep scrolling looking for the best group you want to. So let's say you want to extract this group called artificial intelligence versus me. You're going to click on it, then you're going to say export all contact from this, but we're not doing that. We're going to use the first option called export now. So I'm going to click on export now. Then over here now we have it downloaded. So I'm going to show you where it has downloaded. So we have it at this place called artificial intelligence versus me.x. So I'm going to click on it now. Then it will open immediately. Then Excel is opening, and if you don't have Excel, go to your Play Store and install Excel. So now we have all the files. We have all the files extracted from here. We have a lot of numbers, Nigerians. We have their phone contact. We have these, and I believe this should work for you very, very fast. What I'll do now is to just save it directly to my I'll send it directly, either with Bluetooth or with Sender or any means of sending. Send it directly to your phone. So I believe you learned this. If you're having difficulty doing this, don't forget to send me a message that you're not getting it. Definitely, I'll put you through on a step by step. If the next one we'll be talking about is how to save the contact, how to save your contact, then we'll talk about how to send bulk messages. Now, saving the contact is next. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you. If you can't continue through, just check the link. I'll put a link on how to save contact. But if you want to continue, just stay and we'll keep on doing this very, very fast. Now, saving contact is next.